Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi everyone, Tim Johns here, and we're doing another problem dealing with displacement, velocity, and acceleration functions. So in this problem, we're first given the position function as s is equal to 0.27 t cubed minus 0.65 t squared minus 2.35 t plus 4.4. So you can use a graphing calculator or a graphing website to go ahead and plot this function. What you should see is that it will look something like this. And we're just doing this for the first 5 seconds. And s is in feet per second, and time is in seconds. So whenever time is 0, the position will start at 4.4 right here. And the question is not asking for wherever it crosses 0, so we can go ahead and put that to the side just for now. So next thing to do is go ahead and solve for the velocity, which is the time derivative of the position function here. And this will go ahead and give us 0.81 t squared minus 1.3 t minus 2.35. And velocity is in feet per second. Time is, of course, still in seconds. And this is just a quadratic function. Whenever time is 0, we'll see that it's 0.235 here, and it will cross 0 and look something like this. We'll go ahead and do this just for the first 5 seconds. And finally, plotting the acceleration. So acceleration is just the derivative of the velocity. So if we go ahead and do that, we'll get 1.62 t minus 1.30. And the derivative of a quadratic will just give us a straight line. So whenever time is 0, it will start here, and it will just look like a straight line crossing through the t-axis right here. Acceleration, feet per second squared, time is in seconds. And the second part of the problem asks us, what is the positive time when the particle changes its direction? So this would be at the exact point where the velocity is 0, because the velocity would be negative and then it would switch over to positive. And this would be a positive time that the particle will change its direction. So what we do need to do here is we need to set our velocity function here set to 0, and then we need to solve for whichever positive time it is. So we'll have 0.81 t squared minus 1.3 t minus 2.35. And remember, the quadratic function is minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac square root and over 2a. So we'll have positive 1.3 plus or minus 1.3 squared minus 4 times 0.81 times minus 2.35. Square root of that, and then we'll have 2 times 0.81 on the bottom. So go ahead and solve that, and then you should get that the 2 times we'll get is 2.69 seconds and a minus 1.08 seconds, but we need the positive time. So we're just going to look at 2.69 seconds, and that is the positive time that the particle changes its direction, or the time that the velocity goes from negative to positive.